How long should I bake a cake in a glass bowl in a convection microwave?
Hello there. Today, we're going to tackle a delicious topic, baking a cake. But not just any old cake, we're going to dive into the specifics of baking a cake in a glass bowl using a convection microwave. It may sound a bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step.
What is a convection microwave?
Before we get into the details of baking, let's first understand what a convection microwave is. A convection microwave is a combination of a standard microwave, which heats food quickly, and a convection oven, which bakes and browns food evenly. It allows you to bake a cake much quicker than a traditional oven, making it a fantastic tool for any avid baker.
Is it safe to bake in a glass bowl?
Now you might be wondering, is it safe to bake in a glass bowl? The answer is, yes, it is safe, as long as you are using a bowl that is labeled oven safe or microwave safe. This means the glass can withstand high baking temperatures. However, remember to handle with care, as glass can be a bit tricky to manage when hot.
How long should I bake a cake in a glass bowl?
This is the main question we're answering today. The exact time will depend on the recipe, size of the cake, and power of your microwave. But as a general guideline, a cake baked in a convection microwave in a glass bowl should take between 15 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remember, all microwaves are different, so it's a good idea to start checking your cake for doneness at the 15-minute mark. You can do this by inserting a toothpick into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, the cake is done.
Any additional tips?
Here are a few extra tips for the best results. 1. Preheat your convection microwave if it has the option. This helps to ensure even baking. 2. Always grease the glass bowl before pouring your batter in. This prevents the cake from sticking. 3. Since microwaves heat unevenly, consider rotating the bowl every 5 minutes or so to ensure even baking. 4. Remember, the glass bowl will be hot after baking. Use oven mitts or a towel when removing it from the microwave. And there you have it. Baking a cake in a glass bowl using a convection microwave isn't as daunting as it may initially seem. With the right tools and guidelines, you'll be enjoying a delicious, home-baked cake in no time. Happy baking!